the Ghana Armed Forces have already begun investigations into the incident. We have made requests for international collaboration, and we have received positive response in that regard. And so we want to assure you, our chiefs, that nothing will be covered, it will be transparent, and the public, Ghanaian public, will know exactly what happened and the cause of this tragic accident. We also want to caution the media and some analysts who have been churning out misinformation and untruths about this whole incident. All I want to say is that Ghanaians should trust that the ministry and the Ghana Armed Forces are going to be diligent in the investigations and transparent about it, and whatever was the cause will be known to the people of Ghana, and we will take some lessons out of that.
Okay, that was the Deputy Minister, but Deputy Minister, please don't caution us. I would have preferred you use the word like we plead with the media and certain analysts. You don't caution us. You can't caution us. Mr. Brujajamfi, Deputy Minister, you can't caution us. We are now more choice of words. Maybe on my asem na I was sending about no man akoye debate now. Think for crowd I can't do be catch. He said, I'm pleading with the media. His Excellency the President Kasa. I am pleading with. Why we are not so for now they will caution. Youthful exuberance and caution. Why? Next time choose your words well. Thank you very much. Now military for about thing say enya boapayo no kremuni omo echo accident scene ho na omo body bags na mbom sane no masi ahye no na heat aiwo wo mumu no so omo ye omo adwen say omo de omo gu body bags ni mu a ebe nane because na omo eda so ye hyehyehye na ye say na ma ano enunti enye boapaye so mbegu obi ani mu ase. Chief of Defense Staff yentie no.
With the available and appropriate material we have on the ground, we had some body bags at the scene, but the remains were so heated that it was not conducive for the bags to be used. It was in a thick forest, it was getting late. We had the option of leaving our remains there till the following day, and we know what could have happened to the bodies. So the team that was up there assessing the situation decided to use available material they could lay hands on to start to descend the high ground. At the foot of the hill, they met the medical team, and with the body bags that they had, some of which have been also sent from Anglo Gold Ashanti, they kept our fallen heroes in those bags.
Okay, and the Chief of Defense Staff and all kasa enye boapayo na no more body bags. Bana emune she into the kuma ben name. I'm a munu crown ayabasa. Yara said unketia Ade Akye or say doom prophecies no, it will not sway NDC. NDC will take decisions to restore Ghana. The way a man prophecies left, right, center no, and we are honoma obey distracted. But decision also will take it now restore Ghana there. Or mobile restore. I say don't get here.
Answers in foreign religions. You've all heard about various prophecies, some of them claiming to play the role of God. So, and some threatening our leadership. that more calamities are on the way to happen unless certain things are done. My belief is that what will happen will happen. And we are not going to be cowed away from taking necessary decisions that will restore this country. And I know the way our chiefs are rallying around His Excellency the President, I know he will continue to be emboldened to take the right decisions that will reset this country.
All right. And you almost say, and no, and say, virtually nothing is happening in Ghana. No government business seriously going on. Abobia pusa. Meaning say by Monday, I want for BTS.
Mosquito say
I want for BTS. Eskuma crack corona fe ya baby.
Mosquito says doom. What is a prophet?
I say doom prophecy. Mami mo boss na pe ni bra mo chai. Na on the on one tell be say free ankra communicate ne one dey no. Oso mu ntimi hurehura e. Ye mu hunu kra ye be ye dey ose ye. MPP youth organizer. Na da no ba woni mayi. Ayi MP ayi MC former MC for ayi. German. Me and Madam Fo. I was here. I use Jubilee House man. Kwahine. Me come and say me na. Was your mind, Mister? Jubilee House man. Kwahine. And now me come and say.
I go just say no correct.
I be a free anchor. Jubilee House man. Kwahine.
God's representative, Minister of God Affairs.
Obi busa the center. Obi busa nyame prophecy ni mu asem anase. Lord ya be chire. Asem papa kai simple.
Obe frɛ Awurade abusa say Awurade. Sofo yabo amasisi na every wo
if you are every
wo yanyintum na.
Okay, now MPP Youth Organizer hand over a check of 100,000 to party officials as they formally pick nomination forms for Baumea. And right, Omode Sika Kofa Baumea the form
30,000, 30,000, and then 10,000. That is 100,000. So what? Whether it's of records in here, from what
It's the Amoyan TV no so no and Ram so far about me form. So far, how many alpha forms no? Kennedy Baumea Kofa. Brian and count. Onko five. Educhum Bawakofa. Adenimo.
Adenimo mente.
Meso Obakofa.
Ana mente kwabne Japan.
Mente kwabne Japan mente jogate so. Ena Boakye jako.
Kama Bakofa.
Eso omukofa okika bom dia na je say party no edembe 10 billion.
10,000.
Now the crowd 5 billion akọ.
Na omo ya
50 billion. Skaba. Kodi ayewa how?
Brian Fa.
Brian Kofa the form.
And Korea Japan so fa.
Korea Japan Kofa. Brian Afa.
Okay.
Kennedy and about me.
This is nipa for.
Okay.
Yetiti abeti nature no.
Aye cheko. Okay. Dr. Baumea's performance as vice president is exactly what Ghana needs to progress. Okakwe South MPP Youth Organizer on the deal
who are here to pick this form. We are here to show this love to him. So you can see over here representative of the youth organizers from the various constituencies who are here to pick this form, and from here we'll be moving to his residence, that is the campaign office. That is where we are going to do this presentation to him.
Okay, Enunti, Dr. Mahmoud Baumea and so Enyo Kasai. Or say, I am coming to the table with many ideas for the youth in Ghana. And Timon Shamanim. And I see a Tomano. Chief of Staff, the judge.
552.
No Chief of Staff.
Came to the
I will realize the presence of sanitizing
they wanted
now
put their widow's life together and pick my form.
Chief of Staff is
I agreed because that was a remarkable vote of confidence in me. And
Yeah, guess me, I wear the American wine through.
have fulfilled
We are okay.
that promise they made, and they have taken the forms from the headquarters and have delivered the forms to me today. The youth are a major asset for our party.
The UK a very good asset for our country. Now, over here, you know, MPP for so are condemning more affiliated TikTokers. I say Kasebi Honoma. One more intimate say helicopter crash now more Kasebi into TikTokers no AY nominee I could say how much your love for nominee fancy comedy mono and some be on my mocha munche a party no yes I need it.
Comments that are made by what you refer to as food seekers or people who are not even closer to the leadership of the party. But sometimes it's important when such fortunate or memorable statements are made.
Of these men, and no, I am on bill. Sometimes I meant to meet bill and tinne, and I made to say, be a because come on now, and no, I can find some baby aba. People are questioning, say, hey, it is a negana will be due be at Tama, yet me chinipa. The videos are a pass and some uncle fortuna. One more radio soon TikTok, Kayano, election no present, the amount for Ajanko so. Hey! Attend a penny. I said, Nanado, there's our when you knew. Nanado. Obi to tell say, I would have day, Elu Prena, Nanado Akohino, Fanishu de Kuno, Fanishu de Kuno, of Fra, and Kuno. Live on TV. Obi to be Casse, would Nimsa say, Penny, Ejimia. A chain down, hey, nobody was arrested. At Mills, I dare no one pick the late Mills. So be a casa or radio, so that was say, Enunti. Musoni Mobe, or just say wanty, or down so Munyano. Stop gagging people. Monsuso Amoko Town. Maybe your days are numbered. So this time, okay, I bet you. Josu. So officer now will be kind now so be can and you're ready. Because me one person or more coaching on a mentasi. Police for more the more press a year but say you needed a guy to assist you in investigation. Why do you I don't know muko bunipuno? Now the hank of Gunisa. A champ for need about 2 page. As if so or a criminal. I feel saying debut, and you say, per se, you know, not near to suffer and say, near Hiano so or Meboa. Now we will be our friend Oma. What the Abanka Bagunisa, Ebu Bunidine. Madam, see you who need the wash, I see you, and I'm so bad for me. Yeah, now you know who I want to see. Mammy Ramranti, Honano pay, aim to tuna Basanes. As you don't get here, say, what da MP before say, what tea and a near Japa, so almost a Tamale Central or Mumma. Now, we'll be babu, I'm more jar 9. And it's a wow, I could jar 9 dear. And cat, wow, could jar 9. It's the MP before any day. Or Doma say, Debum, I could tell the Omodia and Tuamuba. Na o ka kire wo mo na o ma siesie wo mo na akwati anemom sa atwitwie se by election tokwanom ne ade no de o ma yede o betumi bi access ade no ensie Justin Prepon could also say Akwatia is ours and my uncle I said Dunkatia knows we will retain the seat it will who dey almost over yentie Justin Kodia
and we are looking forward to having a very fruitful relationship with the But you know, for Akwetia, it's our city. My uncle knows that we are going to retain the city at Akwetia. And it will help us by choosing a candidate who cannot so that is.
Asante, coming to you.
My dear, me say honorable Sidin Ketere no what can say doom prophets.
Or say they will not be swayed by doom prophecies.
Me and say me na make no pay. On say does the government see this as doom prophets? No, no, because among whom whatever the prophecies are, or say or interfaith and the economical whatever a convoy at the presidency. No matter what the president or the presidency see the need to, appreciate some of these prophecies. It's also Banabeka say doom na. Definitely, we are trying to disperse some of these people.
So it means that he's not in tandem with
the decision. That is my worry. I'm abana kasa because if you are yeti ensem na omoka no matter what a bibem. Enti hu be here say bia otia because me na seven family ho and you have my contact. Definitely you have your prophecy I fa emamu nyina ho. Ena e word e be fa individual because ka say komisi Ghana the whole country very good but o ka say bia me hu bia fa sante e bo definitely no ye me I think say you can reach me not to create panic and then if fear bia seven fa so ni so ntimi honorable Johnson say dinkete o kan I say yes and the abano air canon as yes and definitely would disperse people with some of these prophecies into no only na some can aban there no enko ba woni aban so nya dia o me hu say sa convoy na we envoy na we yes president of president envoy no interfaith and fasoni so on kama yenyi free ho what you say because we are part of the government say a spiritual presidential Sumankwan as others are saying. Oh yes. Interfaith. Jidia who do nyina.
Ti Christian ni bia who be and say Muslim bia who be and say ebia Hindu be and now conphobia or say interfaith or say Christian.
Name whatever I can say prophecy about my demeter say Nina and yet de. Be where na prophecy be so do. Nyankopon to gas kokache makoy we say me ba be shira no. Eno dey omo bi. That is my worry about the prophecy.
Ona won tell me dem atiti tibi.
Say nyame.
Who say asofo ni bi timika. Asumesi we won hwe na namuntu
na ye prophesize on my penjo mama be president na
nye de
oh there be make
the krache bibia
ebi o
jaka jo so
oh ba eno nko de
wa be ma mpani
me bi o ya we
e bi o ana Orlando mboa
ebi su
jaka jo Orlando hwe binim say a year by this time we see abema nye de
because
e bi e de pa
okay
and say ya na Ghana yani abrabo krabo ni do so che papa
oh ni pursue but sometimes we do get mampani ma be we we say mampani ma be lose and it's coming from the same God
and
that is a problem
president that ebi so kire say ba mi abetima die bi kire say Kennedy
the same God speaking with four lips
ba cho
ebi ofre wo eno kase
so that is a worry.
Asante se no kwa na be ha dwe de na je so okoda
one God speaking through people differently. Okay
en komshe no tresam se ehu ni fa ne fa to wo ohu wa ohu ni ye en obi so hu ni cray mami tie o next
and what next one here you know o ma ya chi chi wo no we know say some comments can be criminalized some do also whatever what may see woman civil whatever no
when na guys will be charge on mameti onu kra so no obi na
obi ba ko de onu your life so obi comment was here and ma me ba ko so de onu so nsem okeka en se bo wa ntimi nka na wa na wa shedo and ntino o my me de me can say in as much as abandon person sanitize the media no
this is not the way
there should be a proper way. Or they invite a person. ebi o ho dia ya na ya arrest because boku o mampanyi ni nya o mampanyi obi aboku no bia no it calls for arrest but say ye be yes an ma na say we hu ni pani bi mu eno die for us because with development comes through communication mpunto bi akoso wiase bia ye nkita muje na de ba ye and this all gagi ni pa somebody may have a fine idea through that no say we putting off and now won so ntimi kasa obaya brand ni pa omo no sign kwana say go person what to am asem every day that one is not democracy I say nya value that but for them dey wia ye die no kodua de no kan no and I say no as you for another statement no me dey magic code me kodua de na me dey me magi die me person me gidi because
wa condemn
omo kakra ba say o ase o ba na ase o ya hye mutakra ujim sem bo wa e say e mo say be se pane kunni haban e bi wo ha wo metimi aka bi kakra bi wo so a eni kwan say aso bi ko me metimi aka say MPP for nsuma obi ase on go social media o sabi
o te de kodua kana kodua behave say panina why dey watchi ne manim e wo badwam na waka kire say hey yetamochi
kodua bien
sa na pani ya de ya wotimase ya bo ma ya from so enya ha no na me ba be ka e bia metima ka say yawo ade we de me ko mechu anim nenso unim say yiro
oh but me dem no
but sa kasa na de enka bio because kodua e be yet say wa po omo so a in another breath were you omo so ama
no but me dem make us me to us
and no we ye no after all this no cry no omo kodua was on radio o ka said the omo achi omo nya omo because people did worse things ya nche omo it didn't mean say oni omo ya adwene but the way omo call no be omo kobro so
say no ko CID
yes okay
right from the interview with
what I say but yes or kasa because the whole party just as omo the foreign party say na party ni so tie
because party communicators now call radio station obi enu accept sansom we say okan bi obekan on sa kwa we so what I say and na oman dem make twa no pay say social media ni kuni it is taking the shine the good work na say media na ye no social media no banana ye no because the traditional media no oman you make sure say some of these things can be verified some of these things can be interrogated yes bia what you asem say here says ne atisam na yekodampo because you say some way by event say print crash here by your man comment is among for one in social media most of them are extremely unfounded but as you talk me all because we create content as
content creators yeah mami too
normally no media me feel say social media no eno so wo ne line on now so e dey shape ye society no yes e do ba bi e bi call extreme e bi e ko beyond board ne ade ade but omo so omo ne man kakran omo ye e bi kra timi ya call to the extent of explaining e bi a digital innovations bi aba yes TikTok and I say WhatsApp I introduce you a new yes omo angle omo fa another pointer if you say Ghana for asset and Ghana for kra hunu say enya bibia me hu social media no so na wo se me gidi enti ohu bibia bon say so traditional media ni contactor no friend na bisa say and they call us social media so no kra Jakuta, it is also another year. Yes, also traditional media. And see, associate was to be. Oh, me who know some page so Facebook. Me who know where so. Until you are a part of a media no ne caps ne na nanti. I mean, me feel say we should allow them. Where MPP inti asia konta. Eku biemu also unya bodem ni kakra, unya nyense ni kakra, unya de ne din, unya de ojo. Unya kwasi ampeni omu nyina bi okuo nim. That's it at every point we hear obi to do certain adwuma
certain hawks mo and those
mo to say almost say abronye ke kanensem ewe ke kanensem omunyina omuhia omunne o party nim ye wade bi wo a what is suma Justin Kodua so onko ka enye ye bare bia de kosuma abronya
obeka ni pain
ama animu ada obeka ikro na
yes
ekuo bia muhia bodamfo muhia de ono no bawro ne shirt atia zigatanim muhia de ono soso be sha white shirt abo ne tie gentleman no ono soso eba muhia de nani ade oye buga kika muhia omo soso omo juo din Omanhene Yaw de ne kosa niema no a no omo ju no ene gentleman na kono makwa kodum na kota ekuo bia abrabo bia sa netie akota fie bia mu ebi wo ho efie bia masante ebo ofie ebi wo meme fie ebi wo Omanhene no fie ebi wo Orlando fie ebi wo
yo group to juma bi wo ka wo
nye da eye ba fia omo banfa so
allow them
yes allow them to do it ne kwa so omo gadi obia omo nya omo 6 months ago 7 months ago na sankrofo ebi ni NDC party ni
west
ebi too money free abrochire ebi too money free ebi kura tena traditional media no a ya kire yen classroom ya courses ni ade ade mo kire yen se ni kwan se we ebi tena traditional media no so edidi atam ekura sa bo obi ewuto plane kotento ni ade nyina Ghana for etie nanya nne na osi obi say na we na akota me eduru ba bia mpenifo sebi ususo ebini so a sebi o na ebon nyama bi wono ma usa akota se wan fi no a na wa fere
na ni kra wu
na ni ewu ade we ya mama boys we aso mo trendy as they are heroes now ye do omo na boys yi enu mu se kesa as MPP mpenifo nyina obi a wo pe position wo party mu bia ko police headquarters wo mu kogu ho no mo ko sie nwumra na women organizer omo pe chama adie
mayehu
secretary adie
mayehu na samba ye no wo ba bi
dese enu afa mi na me say nka we kenya asem bia wo boys we
boa opposition
mo etekuo bia no
party no aban no emma omo kwan
mo ye wasem bi wo ho no mo a
enso so
ya untimi nka isi ta boys no omo na betimi aye sa dirty job no e dia ma ene ho ba ko a tene ekodua no a wo ko NDC headquarters ya no omo ko transe a wo ko di nkomo fefe o ka sa bro nya obesi wo
no ga yo bombo
any fancy comedy o say o ka so mbe
ko look at the fraternity
yes come o de wo ko du nkomo wie e kire nkomo de e ya bro nya ne fancy comedy mu omo de jama omo no mo so omo ntutu omo de e ti akota fie bia bi wo mu
okay
it was here so sa nkofo no omo nyina ho hia de ye ba obesise
ba omo susu nko extreme
akota de se nti na gentleman fo no ho no akota eti na busia pani wo fie no
eti wo ka
busia pani eso kam ontua ka na be ka me niam gu wase mate me ba be hwa ma abusia pani ese mate ko de ko ti fa dokwa na de firi abonten e ba ne fie no e ko watwa nwura gu so se di fie dukra na abusia pani nya bi ma ya se nka ntokwa na firi abonten ba fie wadwodwo ano
tiawa
eti akuta me de omo nya omo na edu agban no so ohunu se ye wo san kwala we mu a edi kwase so omo so
omo attention
mo odi akuta si boys we mo omo bail ana say omo ne ma no ye mo omo bail no omo kodu fie no omo ko so omo social media no a on friends say KK mo friends say
1K ni pe ko chelo
omo ko he reactions ene omo ko hu ho omo be kan ye ene de ndie wan na fi omo senya more followers scratching akuta some omo say boys yake me ntibi o me ntibi but through omo ko chi omo no na me ko pair asem kro omo say fancy comedy kai no ekotie ye na me ko pair your friend say atem kwada na ne amadolo monsem na me ko petie lenka menti
ka won ko hom
e ka men ko hompo
omo atwa adwene
so e omo ko so taso ma ne bon ne e ma boys we beje fans wa bra e fa so bi ele so akonta
okay ye be page mu ya o trend
sa akonta omo se say
oni
hoya
me ami nua pani PV moko akotoma nsa ho
akonta
ena o se ewiase nyina nyame ahyeda e de adwaman ama mema
o akonta ni achede kese odi
na awurade aye amende nti ka wonsam nyina awie ye no ena PVC wo mu tete kwantempo no ntu be ye nipa this video na send me enra Nana je ba for wa de send.
Ah, ni mo nsa no pay o de send me.
Me champi. MPs me bre de send me no ma trust see your man.
Na go dey.
Wo mo kan ye so na bi di asase. But it's true. Maza you.
And what kind of pay say? It could be a modern fool, it could be a papa fool.
I told you just say you're modern fool.
Oh, I was saying, our move
I just saw okay. You not be fatty.
Only first person.
Yabo macheni.
What's your macro more worry me?
Yabo macheni otendi. Yabo makensem po bebrebe ofie ha. Amanfo entwa no da.
Ma o ka. Yes. I was your friend Daniel Wamba. Orlando Aba. Or better say the tip of Jumedie. Abraham Wia. You better so. Money entra.